Back up!
Hey, gentlemen,
Run! Hurry!
What do you guys do? It's gonna spray all over my face.
It's just gonna fall and spray right at us.
What's gonna happen?
You guys might want to watch out. It's sort of tilting that way.
Yay!
You guys back up. Back up. Watch it. More. I know.
What if it tips
Watch it.
over?
1, 2, 3.
uh-oh.
I want some.
We take the Coke, Queen.
Excuse me. Take a step back, or I'm going to have you sit and turn the other way and you won't watch
Get the Coke.
Can we use the Coke?
There's no Coke left.
How do you eat Coke?
Oh, you can't drink the Coke.
Yeah, how do you eat Coke?
Please, Mr.
Oh, we could chew the Mentos.
But we do want to check out the Mentos afterward, because they're going to be bald.
I
could drink it down and then we could see the Mentos more clearly.
They're like all dead.
Nick, you're not drinking it.
Dude, they almost look fuzzy from all the bubbles on them.
I was trying. Can I try to catch it?
And if you do, I will run you
That's a YouTube that.
I'm going.